Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add glass reflection in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this image. I already background this object. Press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl select down layer. Press Ctrl T. Right click use flip vertical and hold Ctrl align middle. Click again down layer. Click right click gradient tool and select gradient transparent with white background. Press enter, then opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.